Hello to all of you. Welcome to Dr. Fit Facts. As you are aware that we are focusing in Chapter 1, 12-week workout program, please view the previous lectures first if you haven't done yet. Before moving to our new lecture, please like and subscribe my channel for more updates. Week 3 is where you really start to feel the difference. Day 1 routine. Warm up for 5 minutes. Exercise 1. Weighted lunges. Do 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. Weighted lunges are a variation of the standard lunge exercise, where additional weight, like dumbbells, a barbell, or a weighted vest, is used to increase the intensity of the movement. The exercise primarily targets the lower body muscles, with a focus on balance, stability, and strength. How to perform weighted lunges. Stand upright holding dumbbells or a barbell. Step forward with one foot, lowering your body until both knees are at 90-degree angles. Keep your back knee just above the ground. Push through the front heel to return to the starting position. Repeat on the other leg. Benefits of weighted lunges. 1. Strengthens quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. 2. Improves balance, stability, and core strength. 3. Enhances hip flexibility and mobility. 4. Builds functional strength for daily activities. 5. Burns more calories with added weight. 6. Corrects muscle imbalances between legs. Cardio 1 minute, jump rope. Exercise 2. Incline push-ups, 10 reps. Incline push-ups are a variation of the standard push-up where your hands are elevated on a surface, such as a bench, box, or even a sturdy table. Your body remains straight, but because your upper body is raised, it shifts more of the work to your chest and shoulders rather than focusing as much on the arms and core as regular push-ups. How to do incline push-ups. Stand facing a sturdy elevated surface. Place your hands on the edge of the surface, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Step your feet back until your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core and keep your body in a straight line. Lower your chest towards the elevated surface by bending your elbows. Push back up to the starting position. Benefits. 1. Builds strength in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. 2. Beginner friendly. Easier than standard push-ups. 3. Shoulder friendly. Reducing joint strain. 4. Engages the core for stability. 5. Versatile, as difficulty can be adjusted by changing the height of the surface. 6. They're a great option for gradually building upper body strength. Cardio 1 minute, cycling or sprint intervals. Exercise 3. Dumbbell rows. Do 3 sets with 12 reps each. 1 arm rows, or single arm dumbbell rows, or an upper body exercise where you use one arm to lift a dumbbell while bent over, targeting the back muscles, particularly the lats. How to do 1 arm rows. Place one knee and hand on a bench, keeping your back flat. Hold a dumbbell in the other hand, arm extended towards the floor. Pull the dumbbell towards your rib cage, keeping your elbow close to your body. Lower the dumbbell back down with control. Repeat, then switch arms. Benefits. 1. Strengthens back muscles. Focuses on your lats, traps, and rhomboids. 2. Improves posture. Strengthening your back can counteract poor posture from sitting. 3. Core engagement. Stabilizing the body works your core. 4. Balances strength. Helps correct muscle imbalances by working each side independently. 5. Improves grip strength. Holding and lifting the dumbbell boosts grip strength. 6. This exercise is great for building back strength and improving overall upper body stability. Cardio 1 minute, shadowboxing. Exercise 4. Planks and leg raises superset. 30-second plank. Do 3 sets with 15 times leg raises. Congratulations! We have completed our today's lecture. Now repeat this to entire week. Please like, share and please share your valuable suggestion for Dr. Fit Facts University betterment. Thank you.